everyone, I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chavez, and we are Carla and Connor.
The mother-son real estate and design duo.
You really have that down now. I'm so proud.
Yeah, it's been only 20 goddamn times. So, I sure as hell hope we have it down. And if we don't, we should get that.
Oh yeah, we should throw in the hat now.
Throw in the hat? It's throwing the towel.
You could throw a hat in too.
No, it's a towel.
Okay, we're throwing in the
Alrighty. Anyway,
How about you throw the towel on the hat? Alright, why I'm talking to you, why you will never ever be rich. That's what we're talking about today.
So, if you want to know why you will never be rich,
yep, watch.
Keep watching and make sure you smash the like button and subscribe.
Smash and subscribe.
Smash and sub. Or why will you never be rich? Well, you're about to find out. And guess what? Most people in your day-to-day life are not rich. They drive a Mercedes, they're not rich.
Nope.
They live in a big house, they're not rich.
They act all rich.
Yeah, they acting rich. They acting rich, but they ain't rich. All right?
Most everything they got has been mortgaged to the top.
Oh, okay, cool. We should do a song.
Why?
Like a rap. I think why you'll never be rich.
Ooh, okay, yeah. We got
why you never be rich, bitch. Alright, okay. So the #1 reason you will never be rich is because of lifestyle inflation.
Do you know what lifestyle inflation is, folks? Because you're living it.
You're inflating it.
And you're inflating it. And we're gonna tell you how that's gonna keep you from making yourself rich.
So essentially what lifestyle inflation is in theory, every time you get a raise, your lifestyle gets a raise as well.
Yep.
So you make more money, spend more money. That's the basic idea of lifestyle inflation.
You believe that buying more stuff and accumulating more things will make you happy.
And so as you make more, instead of saving more, you oftentimes are only saving the exact same amount you were, the bare minimum, and instead you're spending more.
Yep, you're spending more, you're trying to make yourself happier, you're trying to solve more of your problems. Guess what, people? Life sucks. Guess what, people? Problems exist. It's part of it.
But also guess what? Once you achieve the lifestyle that you think you want, you're gonna want
still ain't gonna
you're gonna want another one. You're gonna think you need to achieve the next one.
Yep.
And the next one. So once you buy the Mercedes, well, next year you're gonna need the newer Mercedes and the bigger one and all this stuff. So
it's never enough, and it never will be enough.
Alrighty, so here's a really good example, okay? You get out of college, you get a job, maybe 40 grand a year, base pay salary. You go and get yourself a nice newer apartment, and maybe like an entry-level vehicle.
Sure, yep. Then
so what happens next?
You get your very first raise, and what do?
You get a nicer apartment.
Absolutely.
And you buy a nicer car.
Well, why wouldn't I? I haven't got a raise.
Yeah.
After that, what happens after that? You get another raise.
Well, after that, you get another raise. Maybe now it's time for a house. So I'm gonna go buy a big old house.
Yep.
Some trendy, modern place downtown. That's gonna be really cool. And you know what? I deserve a luxury car.
Yep.
A European car. A Mercedes. An Audi.
Yep.
All that shit that I don't drive because I don't even have a goddamn car.
Yep.
Alright? And guess how much money I save a goddamn month? Have you seen our video about saving money by not drinking coffee and not eating dinners? Well, I don't do any of that shit, and I don't have a car. So guess how much millions I got, bitch? Anyway,
and so the cycle continues. After you get another raise, now you have that house, that luxury vehicle.
And now you're getting married. You're spending $50,000 for a marriage. And, and you need a bigger house because you got a family and you got
to fill the 4-car garage now. So
oh yeah.
You have fucking 4 cars.
Might as well get a sporty car and a SUV.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I want a Lexus coupe and a Mercedes SUV.
Yep.
That'd be great.
Oh yeah, that would be amazing. Guess what, folks? That cycle will never end. It's gonna keep going until you fucking die with nothing.
Now, we're not saying you shouldn't aspire to more and work harder and that you don't deserve that raise, because guess what you do? You work hard, you aspire to more.
Yep, absolutely.
But that doesn't mean you should be spending more, right?
Yep.
You should be saving and investing more. Guess what? With that new raise, you can go and invest in real estate, and in 10 years, you won't even have to worry about a raise because you'll be living on your own goddamn money.
Yep, absolutely. Your money and your investments will be making enough money for you that you aren't going to have to go to work and get a raise from somebody.
It's really important to get a baseline level of happiness at lower incomes.
What does that look like? What does that feel like? Because as I said earlier, life sucks, problems exist. No matter whether you have nothing or you have everything, that never changes. So what is the baseline that you can live with and consider, this is my baseline happiness?
Right.
What does that look like? What does that feel like on a day-to-day basis?
Then what happens is when you do get that raise and when you do start making more money, it's just a little added bonuses, right? Because you're already happy. You're already thrilled to be making 30 grand a year because you have everything you need and some of what you want.
Yep. What else could you possibly need?
Exactly. So, you know, find that level of happiness at lower income levels. And when you get to those higher income levels, again, you can invest it smartly, save it wisely, and grow.
Yep. You need to figure out your goals and what's really important to you. Basically, that's super important. You want to accomplish all of these things at lower income levels, essentially, is what we're saying. You have to do that or you absolutely will never become rich.
I think the general population believes that more money will mean more happiness, right?
Mm-hmm.
More success equals more money equals more happiness equals more things. But guess what? If you're just not a happy person, then you're not going to be happy when you're a millionaire either. It doesn't matter how much money you make. It's not going to matter. Or how many Mercedes-Benz you have. Or how many Lamborghinis you have. It doesn't matter, okay?
What he's saying is, like, whether you have a $40,000 a year job, if you're unhappy, you're still going to be unhappy when you have a $60,000 a year job.
And still unhappy when you're at $80,000 a year.
Absolutely. It's not, nothing will change in there aside from your income and aside from your spending habits. That's it. You're going to spend more when you earn more.
When you should be saving more. When you earn more. And sure, buying that Lamborghini
feels good temporarily.
Feels good very temporarily. And oftentimes studies show that actually leading up to and the anticipation of buying something is greater than actually buying something.
Yeah.
So if you go shop for goddamn Lamborghini,
just don't buy it.
Don't buy one. No, seriously.
Yeah, exactly.
And
maybe test drive it. Maybe have fun doing it.
A lot of people do this. Like what I do is when I'm shopping, right? In a store and I find something I love and I think I really want it, and wait until the next day. Because guess what? The next day turns around and I don't want it anymore. I was already happy thinking I could have it.
Yeah, that's actually a really good point and a really good tip on ways to look at what you have and be happy with what you have.
Yes, but you can still aspire to more.
Yep.
But aspire to more wisely. Save your money, invest your money, work hard to get that raise, and then you'll be able to retire when you're 40.
Bottom line is, as your income raises, so should your saving and investing, not your spending.
Not your lifestyle. There shouldn't be this lifestyle inflation, right?
Nope.
Look at my lifestyle. I don't make any goddamn money. Because none of you watch the ads, okay? But look at this. I love my life.
So click and watch our ads so we can get rich and invest it ourselves.
Or if you want to sponsor us,
because I'm still getting coffee myself.
This goddamn dog.
Tends to make a cameo.
Our lifestyle can't inflate because they're already so goddamn deflated. It would be impossible. All right?
It doesn't get any lower than this, folks.
This is it. This is it. This is
but the point being, as broken and suck as we are, we're happy.
Alrighty guys, well that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit us up on all of our social media at Carla and Conner. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. And I think that's, check out our podcast.
Yeah,
the Vacant to Vacation podcast.
Vacation podcast.
It's on Apple Podcasts,
really
YouTube, and SoundCloud.
Really good gems in that sucker.
Oh yeah, there are. We love talking, especially about ourselves. Because I'm gorgeous. Because it's that red light therapy that I've been doing.
Oh, maybe it is.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chas.
We're the mother-son real estate and design duo.
We are here to help you invest in properties.
Now you can make a lot of money doing this.
We're your people.